I've been following the progress of this park all the way back in 2019 when I first seen the concept art. But finally, Epic Universe is upon us. Ignite the spirit of adventure. I'm gonna try to keep my composure here, but I'm excited for this one. The opening of Epic Universe will transform Universal Orlando Resort into a week-long vacation destination comprised of 4 theme parks that are home to the most innovative theme park experiences ever created. Universal's Epic Universe opens May 22nd, 2025 at Universal Orlando Resort, and tickets are on sale now. You can pick up your tickets on their website. You can pick up your tickets through travel agents. You can come and talk to us, but make sure you get your ticket, man. I'm telling you, I'm excited for this one. But let's do a quick rundown on this park. We're gonna talk about the 5 different lands. How about Celestial Park? When you first enter Epic Universe, you'll pass under the Chronos device, the giant machine that powers the park. You'll arrive in Celestial Park, a world between worlds. During the daytime, you can explore living gardens and breathtaking fountains. At night, the world lights up and transforms completely. In addition to immaculately themed restaurants and retail options, you will find 2 attractions here. That's Constellation Carousel and Stardust Racers. That's the dueling coaster. Celestial Park is also home to the portals that will take you to Epic Universe's 4 other worlds. Let's talk about it. Let's start with How to Train Your Dragon. That's Isle of Berk. Whether you want to soar through the sky on dragon back or embrace your inner Viking, there's something for you to experience in How to Train Your Dragon Isle of Berk. The village of Berk is teeming with excitement, with attractions like Hiccup's Wing Gliders, Dragon Rally Racers, Dragon Racers Rally, and Fire Drill, along with a show, The Untrainable Dragon. And yes, you'll be able to meet Toothless and Hiccup. Next, you're gonna get a taste of my childhood with Super Nintendo World. Travel through the iconic green pipe to arrive in Super Nintendo World, home to both Super Mario Land and Donkey Kong Country. There's no shortage of fun to be had here, from attractions including Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge to Yoshi's Adventure to Minecart Madness. In fact, thanks to the power-up bands available for purchase, you can experience all of the interactive elements within the world. But I'm telling you, this theme park has something for everyone, because now we go from Super Nintendo World to Dark Universe. Now, Dark Universe is an eerie world shrouded in mystery, home to both monsters and monster makers alike. Step through the crackling electric portal and enter the village of Darkmoor, where ill-fated scientific experiments abound and nothing stays buried for long. Here, you will find Monsters Unchained, the Frankenstein Experiment, and Curse of the Werewolf. That's a spinning roller coaster. 2 thrilling attractions themed to the classic Universal monsters. Or you can also explore multiple eras of the Wizarding World in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Ministry of Magic. In this 3rd park iteration of Harry Potter, You can explore 1920s Paris, as seen in the Fantastic Beasts franchise, and travel to the 1990s British Ministry of Magic. This world includes a first of its kind live show, Le Cirque Arcanus, and a groundbreaking dark ride. I'm talking groundbreaking. That's Harry Potter and the Battle at the Ministry. Plus, you'll be able to sharpen up your spell casting skills at interactive wand experiences throughout Wizarding Paris. Now you might beg the question, are there hotels near Epic Universe? Of course, you bet there are. You can find 3 hotels near Epic Universe. Let's talk about Universal Helios Grand Hotel. Universal Helios Grand Hotel is located just outside of Celestial Park in Epic Universe. Oh yeah, you heard that right. This hotel is located at Epic Universe. And when you stay there, you can enjoy a dedicated entrance into Celestial Park. The theme and of course theme park tickets required. With an elegant Mediterranean-inspired feel, Universal Helios Grand Hotel has no shortage of amenities, including a zero-entry pool with underwater speakers, a fire pit area, and poolside movies. If you're in the market for awe-inspiring views of Epic Universe, Bar Helios should be your first stop. This rooftop bar features an al fresco area where you can take in all of the majesty as you dine and sip. But also, if you're a little bit more on a budget, you can stay at Stella Nova Resort, which is inspired by the stars and galaxies that swirl above us. You will find images of the cosmos throughout the hotel, along with a stunning swimming pool, poolside bar and grill, and plenty of on-property dining options. You'll also find a walking path to Epic Universe. You can also take the bus. But also, right across the street, you have Terra Luna Resort. Terra Luna Resort takes inspiration from the planets in outer space. In the lobby, you'll get to check out a projection of a planet that you can interact with. Sounds like a perfect primer for the other worlds you'll be experiencing in Epic Universe. But like Stella Nova Resort, Terra Luna also features a beautiful swimming pool, poolside bar and grill, and several dining options. All right, now that you're somewhat familiar with the park, let's go over 20 tips and tricks to help you make the most of your visit. All right, try to keep up with me. We're going to go rapid fire here. Let's start off with plan ahead. Check the official website for park hours, special events, and any updates before your trip. Also, stay on site. Try it out. Consider staying at the Universal Hotel for early park access and complimentary transportation. Buy tickets in advance. Purchase tickets online to save time and often money, as there may be discounts for early purchases, or you don't know what kind of sales they might have going on at that time. Download the app. The Universal app provides maps, wait times, dining options, and more, making it a handy tool for your visit. Also, some rides might be very, very busy and they might be using the virtual queue. and you're going to need the app to enter the virtual queue. Arrive early. Get to the park before it opens to enjoy popular attractions with shorter wait times. Prioritize must-sees. There's things that you've probably been waiting for months, probably years. Make a list of rides and attractions you want to hit first and plan your route accordingly. Now, for my parents out there, take advantage of the child swap. Use the child swap. If you're visiting with young children, take advantage of the child swap program to allow adults to ride while someone stays with the kids. Stay hydrated. Florida gets very, very hot, especially during those summer months. Bring a refillable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the day, especially in that Florida heat midday. Plan meal times. Go in with a plan. Consider dining during off-peak hours to avoid long lines and enjoy a more relaxed experience. And also, I know we get excited and we want to go, but don't forget to take breaks. Schedule downtime to rest and recharge, especially if you're visiting with young children. That's where the shows come in handy. Time it out. Explore the theming. Take time to appreciate the intricate details and theming throughout the park. It adds to the overall experience. Take it all in. Check for special experiences. Look for character meet and greets, shows, and parades that may be happening during your visit. Darkmoor has a lot of, you'll enjoy Igor. You'll enjoy the Invisible Man. They're very entertaining. Even the Bride of Frankenstein, she steps out. Interact with her. And also, if you're going to the Isle of Berk, go to the meet and greets and enjoy Hiccup and Toothless. It's an awesome experience. For some people, that's the highlight of the entire land. And also the autonomous dragons that's walking around. And there's also going to be flying dragons. You heard me right, flying dragons. Take it all in. Now, this tip here is almost like a 2-in-1. Use Express Pass if it's in your budget. If you want to skip the regular lines, consider purchasing an Express Pass for quicker access to the rides. Also, if that's not in your budget, I think most of the rides have single rider queues, which may help with the process of your wait times. Now, there's some single rider lines that may skip the themed queue. If you're into the theming, you might not see it all. But if you want to get on the ride, or if it's your second, third ride, utilize the single rider line. Now, make sure you are flexible. Keep an open mind and be ready to adjust your plans based on wait times and crowd levels, especially if you're going on a weekend. Wear comfortable shoes. There's a lot of walking. Nintendo World specifically has a lot of stairs. You'll be doing a lot of walking, so comfortable footwear is essential. Take photos. Capture memories by taking photos, but also remember to enjoy the moment without the camera. Okay, now we're talking Florida here. Please check the weather. Be prepared for sudden rain or sun. Pack ponchos or sunscreen based on the forecast. You have hot days, you have those crazy rainy storms. Also, tropical storms sometimes can roll through, so make sure you stay up to date on the weather. Now, I know I don't even have to say this one, but if you are a Wizarding World Harry Potter fan, I'm talking about a diehard. Make sure you visit the Wizarding World. Do not skip that land. If you're a Harry Potter fan, don't miss a chance to explore this immersive area. I guarantee you, you will be jaw-dropped. Now, also, plan for souvenirs. Decide ahead of time what souvenirs you want to buy and set a budget to avoid overspending. And also, if you're staying at the resorts, they have the delivery program where they will deliver your goods to your hotel, or you can pick it up. You can pick it up at the end of your visit from the guest services. Now, as we come to the end of this video, have fun. Lastly, remember to relax and enjoy your time at the park. Embrace the magic and excitement of the Universal's epic universe. With these tips, you're set for an unforgettable experience. Enjoy this time. If you need help with your next vacation, let Vacation Without Boundaries help you. We like to craft the best vacation that you can have, a vacation without boundaries. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let's chat. Remember to ring that bell so you'll never miss an update. And until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and see you in the next video. Peace.